guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Jessica, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite cleaning products that I get from Grove Collaborative. Hi! You love when I talk to the camera. You always come up and say hi. Say hi, I'm Tucker, and I'm a Marky Poo because, everybody always asks. He's a Maltese Poodle Yorkie. So what Grove Collaborative is basically an online supply store. They have a lot more than just cleaning products. They have all kinds of household items. They have like personal hygiene items. They have paper towels, toilet paper, all kinds of stuff. But I mainly use their like household items like cleaning products and things like that. And the way it works is you can kind of sign up for like an auto shipment, but you're not committed to having them ship you something every single month. So like they'll email me and say, hey, we're fixing to ship out your order. Did you want to add anything? Did you want to change anything? And if I don't need anything that month, I just go in and delete my cart, and then they don't charge me and they don't send me anything. But a lot of times I'm out of something, so I add that, or I want something, so I add that. But it isn't like something that you have to commit to every month, if that makes sense. So if you're new to Grove Collaborative and you sign up, you're going to be getting what is in the fall campaign. So right now it is the multi-surface spray, the dish soap, and the hand soap. I think it might be the hand lotion. I don't know for sure, but I'll have a picture right now come up of what you will get. And then you also get a dish scrubber that has replaceable head, and I do use that, and it's also really cute. But you can get the fall scents that are out right now, and apple cider is my absolute favorite, but I really like the mum as well. And then they have the new pumpkin one, and I feel like they might have another fall one as well. I can't remember, but you can get any scent you want, but the fall ones are out now, and it's an amazing deal because all you have to do is spend 20 bucks and you can get all of that for free. And that's it. And I can show you some things in today's video that you could get for 20 bucks and get that stuff for free. Or if you are already a Grove member and you're curious as to like my favorite products from there, then that's what I'm going to share with you today. So I have doggies coming in and out of here, and this is just going to be super casual. So if you see them like going in and out, I apologize if you don't like that sort of thing. If you do, enjoy, because they're brats, and like I said, they're both coming in and out of here. Yeah, that's Bailey saying hi. Come here, Bailey. You want to come say hi? Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say, this is Bailey May, and she's a lab healer, and she is our rescue baby. We got her from the shelter when she was 6 weeks old, and now you're 5 months old, aren't you? Can you say hi? Ooh, you just burped. Okay, so speaking of Mrs. Meyers, the multi-surface sprays are my favorite. The apple cider is one of my all-time favorites. It's a fall limited edition scent, and this is what it looks like. And then the lilac scent is also a limited edition scent, and this was from their spring campaign, and they don't have this available right now. They come out with those in the spring, so you'll be able to get it then, but it is my favorite. And so when they had them, I stocked up. I got like, I think 6 bottles of these, so I still have several, but this is one of my favorites since it's just a really soft powdery smell. A lot of people don't like it, but I love it. And if you're wondering about like price wise compared to like say Target, right now, and I just checked on Grove, the fall scents are $3.89 for one of those sprays, and on Target they're $3.99 for one of those sprays. So it's not a big huge difference, but in case you were wondering if there was a price difference, there is a little bit. It seems like Grove is a little bit cheaper. So the next thing is a newer thing that they came out with, and they did send me these a couple of months ago to just try out. They sent me the paper towels, the napkins, and the toilet paper, and it's their new line called Seedling. And it is basically, this stuff is made from like bamboo plants and sugar cane, I guess. I don't know like all the details, but basically their motto is they're trying to save trees, and they say right here for their goal is to plant more than 100,000 new trees annually, which I think is great, but they're just better for the environment. And like I said, they're made from bamboo. So the quality of them is really good though. I really, really like them. I like the toilet paper. We've used an entire pack of the toilet paper. I used the napkins and the paper towels. I've went through a pack of the paper towels already. I actually ordered these. I spent my own money on and reordered these paper towels because I do like them a lot, and it is nice knowing that you're doing something for the earth. If you like to do that sort of thing, if you like to make conscious decisions about what you're buying, what you're putting in your home, this is something I would recommend looking at on their website. Okay, so the next things are from the line or the brand called Drea. I think I'm saying that right. And they have a bunch of different things, but these are my favorite things that I use. And they are the countertop spray. So this is what the countertop spray looks like. And this one is in Tangelo Palm Frond. So this one is probably my favorite scent that I've tried so far. It smells really, really good. It's really sweet. And they have the dish soap, the countertop spray. I think they have lotion. They have dish soap. I think they even have some laundry stuff. But the countertop spray, I love. I've repurchased time and time again. This is probably my third bottle of this stuff. And I also have it in the sea salt and neroli, I think is how you say it. And I also love that one. That is one of my favorites. And then I have the dish soap here, and it is in that sea salt and neroli scent, and it smells so good. This one smells more like, I've described it in another video, more like a freshly showered man, but it's not like cologne-y. I can't really describe how it just smells good. It smells like men's soap, I think. That's a good way to put it. I think it smells like men's soap, men's body wash, but it smells really good. And I have the dish soap and I have the countertop spray for this one as well. And I also have the dish soap for the Tangelo Pomfron. And then they have linen sprays here. So I have all three of these. I actually have another one somewhere. Or I might have given it to a friend because I didn't end up liking the way that one smelled. I can't remember what it was, but it was one of their holiday scents. But I have it in the Tangelo Pomfron. And if you can't tell, I love this stuff. I'm almost out. I think I ordered a new one and it should be here today. I actually have a Grove shipment coming today, but I didn't want to wait until it got here to film this because most of the stuff is stuff I've already ordered. The only thing I got in it that I'm not showing this in this video is the Wood for Good floor cleaner, the Method Wood for Good. But I did order another one of these and I can't even remember what scent I got. But this one's the Pear, Blossom, and Agave. And again, I'm almost out. This was the first one I ever tried and I love this one. And then this one is the Ginger Pomelo. And it's not my favorite, but it doesn't smell too bad. It doesn't stink. I do use this one. It's just not my favorite. I want to get one in the sea salt and neroli, but I think when I ordered they were out. So that's unfortunate. But these are my favorite linen sprays, room sprays ever. I mean, I don't even like Febreze anymore because these are so good and they're made with essential oil. So again, they're like a healthier option. They're not completely chemical free, but they're a healthier option. And they smell so good and the scent lingers forever. So I highly recommend. These are like probably my all-time favorite thing to get on Grove is the Caldrea stuff. If you haven't tried it, try it and thank me later. You will love it. Try the countertop spray and try the linen spray. And again, my favorite scents are the Tangelo Pomfron and the Sea Salt and Neroli and the Pear and Agave. All right, and the last thing that I recommend from Grove is their Method products. And again, you can find this stuff elsewhere, but if you're shopping on Grove, anyways, like I do, just because it's convenient just to have it shipped to your home. And also, like I said earlier, if you are a new customer and you buy $20 worth of stuff, you will get that stuff for free. So if you're looking for things to buy, the Method Wood for Good stuff is great. I use it all the time in my videos. It smells like almond is what it says, and it smells so good. And it does a really good job. They also have a polish as well, and I do use that. But this is my all-time favorite, and I will continue to repurchase it. I really like this stuff and it smells amazing. And like I said, in my package that's coming in the mail today, I have the Wood for Good that's in the same scent. That's the Squirt and Mop stuff. But yeah, it's not here yet, so I couldn't show you guys. All right, guys, I will have the link in the description box for you guys to check out that Grove offer if you're interested. And if you're already a member of Grove and you still just want to go and check out these products, then you can use that link as well. If you're an existing customer and you go through my link, I think you'll still get a pack of their walnut sponges, and I like those too. They're really great. So you get something. Everybody wins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now.